Online yoga challenge. My name is Isha. Quickly write E in the chat box if you're excited for today's session. अगर आप आज के सेशन के लिए उत्साहित हैं, जल्दी से E लिख दीजिए chat box में. Today we are going to do face yoga. On day 7, the topic is face yoga. And face yoga, we often think that, oh, it's just some fancy thing that we do for our face, but it has immense benefits. It helps to release tension from our muscles of the face. It relaxes our face, and also it helps to tighten the skin. You know, the skin tends to sag sometimes. It helps to tighten the skin. हम ज़्यादातर सोचते हैं कि फेस योगा सब कुछ फैंसी है, पर इसके बहुत कई फ़ायदे हैं. ये हमारे चेहरे से टेंशन रिलीज़ करता है, मसल को टाइट करता है और चेहरे को रिलैक्स भी करता है. You know, there are 57 muscles in our face, including the ears and tongue. And when we do face yoga, since all these muscles are connected with each other, when you work on one muscle, it helps to relax other muscle. It also helps to release the tension from other muscles of our face. एक मसल पे काम करने पे हमारे सारे चेहरे को वो प्रभावित करता है. You know, when you worry a lot, what happens? You tend to look older than your age. But when you do yoga, when you do face yoga, it helps to bring out that natural glow from your face and helps to relax the face so that you can smile effortlessly. देखिए, जब हम चिंता ज़्यादा करते हैं तब हमारे उम्र से हम ज़्यादा ओल्ड लगते हैं. बट जब योग का अभ्यास करते हैं, फेस योगा करते हैं, हमारे चेहरे को तो विश्राम मिलता ही है, पर हम अंदर से भी खुश होते हैं. और जब अंदर से खुश होते हैं, अपने आप चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट होती है. तो चलिए आज का सेशन शुरुआत करते हैं. लेट्स बिगिन बाय चैंटिंग ओम 3 टाइम्स. Eyes closed. Breathe in for Om. Wherever your mind is wandering, bring it back to this moment. आपका मन जहाँ भी जा रहा है, इस क्षण में लेके आ जाएंगे. And slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. Now we'll start with a cleansing kriya for our face. चेहरे को साफ करने के लिए, क्लियर करने के लिए हम एक क्रिया करेंगे जिसे कहते हैं कपाल रंध्र धौती. So for this you join the fingertips of the first 4 fingers together. You inhale, puff the face, make a nice balloon of the face. Hold the breath and place the thumbs on the nostrils and look down. Keep holding the breath. इस क्रिया के लिए उंगलियों को जोड़ लें, सांस अंदर लेंगे और चेहरे को अच्छे से फुलाएंगे और सांस को रोकेंगे. अंगूठों को नासिका पे रखेंगे. And keep holding the breath for as long as you can. जितना हो सकता है उतना लंबा सांस को रोकें. And when you cannot hold the breath anymore, you come up and exhale. जब आप सांस ज़्यादा नहीं रोक पा रहे हैं, आप ऊपर आ जाइए और सांस छोड़ के विश्राम कीजिए. So it's not necessary for you to hold for as long as I am holding. You can hold according to your convenience. अब जितना सांस को रोक सकते अपने हिसाब से सांस को रोकिए. If you want, you can also do a counting in your mind when you're holding. Okay? Counting भी कर सकते हैं. Let's do this together. Inhale, hold. Relax. We'll do this 3 more times. Breathe in, hold, relax, breathe in, relax. One more time. Breathe in, and relax. If you're feeling some burning sensation in the cheeks, you can just massage your cheeks a little bit. अगर चेहरे में जलन हो रही है, उसको मसाज कर सकते हैं. Now, we'll do some stretches before we get into the other exercise, other yoga. So breathing in, let your head fall back, look up. Exhale, chin to the chest. सांस लेते हुए ऊपर देखें, look up. Exhale down, सांस छोड़ते हुए थोड़ी छाती पर. Breathe in. Out. And come back to the center. Now stretch your neck to the right side at 45 degrees. And you can place your palms on the left side, like close to the collarbone, for a nice stretch in your neck region. गर्दन को दाईं तरफ लेके जाएं 45 डिग्रीज पे और बाईं तरफ से हल्का सा कॉलर बोन के वहाँ हाथों को रखें अच्छे स्ट्रेच के लिए. To the left and palms on the right. अब हाथ दाईं तरफ और गर्दन बाईं तरफ. Right, left, and come back to the center, and let's do some small circles for the shoulders. कंधों से धीरे धीरे गोलाकार बनाएंगे. You know, in face yoga we work not only on the face but also the neck region. गर्दन पे भी हम काम करते हैं चेहरे के साथ साथ फेस योगा में. Now back to the front, पीछे से आगे की तरफ. Are you all smiling? How is it that you can do a face yoga session without a smile? बिना मुस्कान के फेस योगा हम कैसे कर सकते हैं? And relax. Now interlock your fingers. Place the palms on the head, top of the head to begin with. Now move the palms front and back very gently. You're not moving the entire hands, just the palms. Little jiggle on the top of the head. Now right and left, दाएं बाएं. Little behind, up and down, right and left. Now on the right side. Up and down, right and left. See, if your body is tilting to one side, bring it to the center. Even your head, it should be in the center. Don't let your head go to the side. सर को, शरीर को बीच में ही रखेंगे. सिर्फ हाथ दाईं तरफ है. Now, on the left side. The other way, right and left. And relax. So it's okay if your hair has gone everywhere. You can adjust your hair a little bit. And let's start tapping the head now. In the front, and slowly as you tap the head, from the center go to the sides. And start moving inch by inch to the back. धीरे धीरे टैप करते हुए साइड में जाएंगे और धीरे धीरे पीछे जाते जाएंगे. Little behind. The neck. The sides of the neck. And come to the shoulder area. Come back to the center again, up around the neck region. Slightly up. थोड़ा और ऊपर. And relax. Now we'll tap our face. Start from the forehead. माथे से टैप करना शुरू करें. So you don't have to be too gentle, just medium pressure for the tapping. The cheeks, the chin, neck, and all the way down till the collarbones. ये जो collarbone है वहाँ तक टैप करेंगे. And slowly come up now. ऊपर आ जाएं, गर्दन से ऊपर. Chin to the sides of the jaw. It's already very relaxing, isn't it? अभी से चेहरे पे विश्राम होना शुरू हो गया है. Cheeks, to the sides, the temporal region, भुवों के पास में. Gently above the eyebrows, भुवों के ऊपर. The forehead. Around the eyes, very gently. आंखों के आसपास में. We will do some wonderful eye exercises also today. आज हम eye exercises भी करेंगे बाद में. And relax. Now we are going to slap our face. अभी हम चेहरे पे अच्छे से slap करेंगे. So for this you have to slap yourself a little hard. थोड़ा तेज slap करना है. On the forehead, to the sides, on the cheeks, come down on the neck. So you put as much pressure as you can take. आप जितना pressure ले सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से कीजिए. Don't be too harsh also on yourself, okay? On the sides of the neck, a little down also to the shoulders, कंधों के वहाँ पे भी. Again the throat, the neck, little behind. Come to the front and back to the cheeks. And relax. So there's one thing. Now we are going to start placing our palms and our fingertips on the face. So I have washed my fingers, I have washed my hands. If you want quickly, you can also wash your hands now, because you're going to place them on your face. It's good to do face yoga with clean hands. And also, if you want, you can keep a moisturizer or a face oil with you in case you feel your skin is dry and you're not able to slide the fingers gently on your face. अगर आप चाहें तो अगर आपने हाथ चाहे तो अपने हाथ धो सकते हैं, क्योंकि चेहरे पे लगाने वाले हैं तो अच्छी बात है कि अगर हाथ साफ़ हो फेस योगा करने के टाइम पे. और दूसरी चीज़ है, अगर आप मॉइस्चराइज़र या कोई फेस ऑयल रखना चाहते हैं तो वो भी रख सकते हैं. सो लेट्स बिगिन नाउ. Now what we are going to do is we are going to place the thumbs on the temporal region, like the temple region here. ये छोटे गड्ढे यहाँ पे रख लेंगे अंगूठों को. Place your fingertips in the center of the forehead. And from the center to the sides, let's start massaging the forehead. Gentle massage. Now, bring your fingertips to the center and you can walk here 3 times. And slide the fingers towards the thumbs. बीच में थोड़ा टैप कर सकते हैं, चल सकते हैं अपने उंगलियों से 3 बार और फिर उनको स्लाइड कीजिए साइड में. One more time. And relax. So now we will start doing something for the forehead. We'll start with the exercise with the yoga for forehead. But before that, I would just like to tell you about tomorrow's session. We have a beautiful session on improving your balance. So make sure that you come, to improve your balance in the body. Often we complain, oh, I feel one side is more tilted, I feel pressure on the other side. So in tomorrow's session, we are going to learn how to improve that balance also and enhance that balance in our body. So कल के session में हम आपको बताएंगे कि अपने बैलेंस को कैसे इम्प्रूव करना है अपने शरीर के, तो कल के सेशन में आप ज़रूर आइए, ठीक है। और ये रोज़ करने से ही योग जो है आपकी एक आदत बनता है, एक हैबिट बनता है. This is something that you have to continue doing. That is when it becomes a habit. Okay. So now what you're going to do is place first two fingers between the eyebrows and push the eyebrows away from you. भुवों को एक दूसरे से दूर करेंगे. Now with the ring finger of your left hand or the right hand, your other hand, and pull your forehead up. माथे को ऊपर उठाएंगे दूसरे हाथ की उंगली से. And relax. Now with the index fingers, start pulling the skin up very gently. Massage upwards. धीरे धीरे ऊपर की तरफ मसाज करें. And now hold the eyebrows between the index fingers and the thumb and jiggle a little bit. Jiggle your eyebrows a little bit and start pinching them outwards. अपनी भुवों को अंगूठे और पहली उंगली में रख के थोड़ा जिगल करेंगे, हिलाएंगे बीच में और धीरे धीरे पिंच करते हुए साइड में जाएंगे. So we'll do this again 2 times. Push the eyebrows away. Pull your forehead up. Massage upwards. And now jiggle the eyebrows and pinch them outwards. This is very, very good for your frown lines. See what happens when we are upset, we tend to frown our eyebrows. And this is very good even for the forehead lines. One more time. Push the eyebrows away. भुवों को दूर दूर करें. Lift your forehead up. माथे को ऊपर उठाएं उंगली से. And let's stay here. Like I said earlier, if you feel that the skin is a little too dry, use a moisturizer or a face oil. Now massage upwards. Jiggle your eyebrows in the center and pinch them going outwards. Jiggle, pinch. And relax. Now place the first 2 fingers around the temple region and let's start doing clockwise circles, very gentle circles here. धीरे धीरे पहली 2 उंगलियों से भुवों के पास में धीरे धीरे गोल बनाएंगे. I hope you're smiling. मुस्कुरा रहे हैं ना? Very gentle session today to relax ourselves and just to pamper ourselves. आज के सेशन में बस अपना ध्यान रखेंगे और अपने आप को पैम्पर करेंगे थोड़ा. ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, विपरीत दिशा में. And relax. Now we will do some eye exercises. So for eye exercises, we are going to look up and down, right and left first. So let's begin. Make sure that you're not moving the head or the neck, just the eyeballs are moving up down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now right, see the head is going to the right, just move the eyeballs to the right. सर को नहीं, सिर्फ आँखों को हिलाएंगे. दाएं, बाएं, to the left, right, left, right, left, right, left. One more time. Right, left, and come back to the center. Now imagine there's a clock in front of you. एक घड़ी है आपके सामने, and you're moving your eyes to different timings. I'll tell you the timings. 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Like that we will go. I'll tell you the timing. So imagine there's a clock in front of you and you look at 12 o'clock. 12 बजे देखेंगे आपके सामने घड़ी है. 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We'll do this one more time. एक और बार करेंगे. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. See, check your neck. If the neck is going up, adjust the head and the neck. सर को, गर्दन को सीधा करें अगर हिल रहे हैं तो. Now opposite direction. From 12 we come to 10. 8, 6, 4, 2, 12. One more time. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 12, and look straight. And now start blinking your eyelids. पलकों को झपकाएंगे. Little faster. You know, eyes are subjected to so much of screen time in today's times. That's very important to relax our eyes. इतना हम जो फ़ोन लैपटॉप देखते हैं, आँखों को विश्राम की ज़रूरत है. Blink, 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 blink. And now squeeze your eyes tight as you can. And open them wide. बड़ी करके आँखों को खोलेंगे. Squeeze, open, squeeze, open, and relax. Now, we are going to squeeze our eyes, but not so tight. We are going to squeeze them very less, like this. अब जब आँखों को स्क्वीज करेंगे, बंद नहीं करेंगे, खुली रखेंगे आँखें. You keep your eyes open. Gentle squeeze. कंटिन्यू एट योर ओन पेस, अपने हिसाब से अपने स्पीड पे करेंगे. Now we will look up and do this. ऊपर देख के करें. And relax. Now, place your palms on the sides around the temple region and pull slightly to the sides and upwards. हल्का सा साइड में और ऊपर की तरफ इसे पुल करेंगे. Not too harsh, very gentle. And we'll again do the eye squeeze. एक और बार eye squeeze करेंगे हम. And relax. All these eye squeezes are very very good for your crow's feet. These lines that you get around the eye region, जो आँखों के पास में झुर्रियाँ और lines हो जाती हैं, उनके लिए eye squeeze बहुत अच्छा है. One more time. Now place the first two fingers, the index finger and the middle finger, on the sides. आँखों के आसपास रख लेंगे उंगलियों को, पहली दो उंगलियों को. Now we will do the squeeze again. एक और बार squeeze करेंगे. And relax. Now gently tap the area just where the eyebrows end. जहाँ पे भुएं खत्म होती हैं, हल्के हल्के टैप करेंगे. This is also very good for your crow's feet. ये भी वो lines के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Now slowly come around the under eye region and tap inwards. बाहर से अंदर की तरफ टैप करेंगे और अंदर से बाहर की तरफ. Very gentle taps. And relax. And again, now place the middle fingers where the eyebrows end. Now from here, make a circle inside to the bridge of the nose, and on the sides just press a little bit. Make gentle rotations. छोटे छोटे सर्कल बनाएंगे यहाँ पे, और फिर से ये सर्कल बाहर की तरफ बनाएंगे. Circle in, gentle pressure here, and circle out. बाहर की तरफ सर्कल बनाएंगे. So for this, if you feel that the skin is a little dry and you're not able to slide the fingers, you can apply some moisturizer or a facial oil. अगर यहाँ पे थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है, स्किन रूखी हो रही है, तो आप ये मॉइस्चराइज़र लगा के कर सकते हैं. In, jiggle, out. One more time. In, jiggle, out. And relax. Now we will start massaging the cheeks from the center to the sides. Always remember, you always go from the center to the sides when you're doing the cheeks, and you go upwards. You never come downwards. नीचे की तरफ नहीं आना है, बीच में से साइड में जाना है, ऊपर की तरफ. You want, you can use more fingers to do this. Gently lift your cheeks up. And now make a hook with both the hands. दोनों हाथों से एक hook बना लेंगे. मोड़ ले दोनों उंगलियों को, पहली दो उंगलियों को. And from the center to the sides you slide your hook up. ये hook को center से side में लेके जाएंगे. Are you frowning? Just relax your forehead, your entire face. माथे को, चेहरे को विश्राम दें. And relax. Now we will do something for the jaw and the lower part of your face. अभी तक हमने जो किया हमने चेहरे के ऊपर के भाग के लिए किया. Now we'll do something for the lower part. So, you know, many of us we complain of our laughing lines. Laughing lines आ जाते हैं. So for this, what are we going to do? We are going to do oo, o, oo, o, oo, o. So जो laugh lines आती हैं, इसके लिए हम ये oo, o करेंगे, ठीक है? But see, when you're doing this, nothing is happening in the upper part of the face. ये ऊपर के चेहरे पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. उसको सीधा ही रखेंगे. Oo, o. You don't have to make the sound. This is just for your understanding. Oo, o. Oo, o. Continue. And relax. And now move your jaw to the right and left. दाएं और बाएं अपने मुंह को हिलाएंगे. You can open it also. खोल भी सकते हैं. You can also do some rotations. And relax. Now, again we will do something for our lower jaw region. So we are going to do wow. We are going to make wow with our face. But again, nothing is happening in the upper part of the face. You keep it still and you say wow without making the sound, like this. If you feel some burning sensation in your face, it's okay. You can do a little less if you're doing this for the first time. पहली बार कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा आप आराम से कर सकते हैं. चालू रखिए. Continue. And relax. Now, only move the lower jaw. सिर्फ lower jaw को हिलाएंगे. And now we'll open the mouth wide and close it. अब मुंह को खोलेंगे और बंद करेंगे. But again, we are only going to move the lower jaw. सिर्फ lower jaw को हिलाएंगे. And look up. Are you feeling a nice stretch in the neck region and in the jaw region? Very good. Continue doing. And relax. Now we will do the kiss and smile yoga before we go into the lymphatic drainage. Let's begin. You make a pout and smile. And relax. Now we'll do the lymphatic drainage massage. So for lymphatic drainage, see, it's happening for the entire body, but also it is important to do this on the face. So some exercises help you to get rid of the toxins that are accumulating. So this is for the face. For this, take first 2 fingers, place them around the ears, कानों के आसपास रखें पहली 2 उंगलियों को, and gently rub this region. धीरे धीरे रब मसाज करें. And come all the way down, slide your fingers down to the collarbone region, just above the collarbones, and here pump a little bit with your fingertips, very gently. धीरे धीरे उंगलियों से यहाँ पे पंप करेंगे. So lymphatic drainage massage जो है ये किस में हेल्प करता है? हमारे चेहरे से जो टॉक्सिन्स है, जो अनवांटेड चीज़ें हैं, गंदगी है, उसको हटाने में मदद करता है. Let's do this together. Rub, 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 massage around the ear region. And come all the way down your neck and pump a little bit above the collarbone. Rub, rub, rub. Very gently. Down, slide down. Two more times. Rub, rub, rub. Down. Rub, rub, rub again with the fingers. And relax. Gently slide the fingers down your neck and pump gently. This is very relaxing. You can do this even before going to bed. ये सोने के पहले भी आप ये कर सकते हैं. And relax. So now we will do one pranayama. We have done our face yoga. We have done our first kriya. We have worked on our face, lymphatic drainage. Now time for a pranayama. So we will do Bhramari again today. But Bhramari with Shanmukhi Mudra. When you do Bhramari with Shanmukhi Mudra, it helps in a good circulation of blood in your face, which is very good for your face. It really flushes the blood to the face and very, very essential to keep that face glowing. Okay? So for Shanmukhi Mudra, what do? You place the thumbs on the ears. ये कानों के पर्दों पे हमारे अंगूठे रख लेंगे. Place the little fingers, the lower lip region, the ring fingers below the nostrils in the upper lip region, the middle fingers on the bridge of the nose, the index fingers on the eyelids. Your eyes are closed. तो भ्रामरी प्राणायाम षण्मुखी मुद्रा के साथ ये चेहरे में रक्त का संचार अच्छा करता है. So we'll take a breath in, normal breath in through the nostrils, breathing out, make the sound of a humming bee and gently press the fingers in and out into the face. सांस लेंगे नासिका से. नासिका से सांस छोड़ते हुए भ्रमर के जैसे आवाज निकालेंगे. धीरे धीरे अपनी उंगलियों को अंदर बाहर करेंगे. Breathe in Breathe in. In. Two more times. Inhale. In. And relax. Relax the hands. Your hands are on the knees, palms are facing up. Eyes are closed and keep a gentle smile on your face. हाथ घुटनों पे, हथेलियां ऊपर की ओर और चेहरे पे एक अच्छी सी मुस्कान. We'll do a short meditation together. Take a breath in. And breathe out. One more long deep breath in. And exhale completely. Become aware of the incoming and outgoing breath. हर आती हुई और बाहर जाती हुई सांस के प्रति सजग हो जाएंगे. Every incoming breath energizes the body and every outgoing breath relaxes the body. Become aware of this. हर आती हुई सांस शरीर को ऊर्जा दे रही है और बाहर जाती हुई सांस शरीर को विश्राम दे रही है. इसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, become aware of your thoughts. अपने विचारों के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. There are many thoughts that come and go. Be a witness to your thoughts. अपने विचारों को साक्षी भाव से देखें। Breathe in, and as you breathe out, let go of all the effort and relax more and more. प्रयत्न छोड़ के अब पूरी तरह विश्राम करें। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Take a breath in and breathe out. One more long deep breath in and exhale completely. And slowly and gradually, with a nice smile on your face, you may open your eyes. मुस्कुराते हुए आंखें खोल सकते हैं. How was it? How are you feeling right now in the face? Just quickly write in the chat box and let us know how was the session, and drop hearts if you really enjoyed the session. आपको आज का